I'ma head out then.
Man, you can leave the door open. Live out? Yeah. What's you running here? 415, fourth order, 4 order shockwaves. They're on JP 4300 per, wired at 1 ohm.
Oh, yes, sir.
How many bitches from the club wanna go? I know you see it. I know you see it. I'm like any,
Where can they find you on social media, man?
So I got a Facebook page, Roy Taylor.
Okay.
I got Instagram, it's what is it, 415, fourth order, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try to tag them down below. I appreciate it, bro. Nice seeing you, man. Yeah, you're still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, alright? You hear me?
Alright, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.